Hey everyone, Meg here, checking in from beautiful, sunny and windy Lombok in central Indonesia. And so Tony and I decided to have some friends over for dinner tonight, and we thought it would be fun to see just how little we could spend while having some friends over after the surf tonight. So usually when we're back in the States, we'll spend like $100, maybe even a couple $100 on food and booze. But based on everything that we've been doing here, trading fish in the village, we thought we would see and make a little challenge out of it. So yeah, let's see how it goes. So I already started prepping, as you can see, but all of these fruits and veggies we got for free by trading fish. One fish and one fish head, actually, from our last meal. So we have some carrots, eggplant. How cute are these little eggplants? Oh my god, I love these little guys. Some green beans, some shallots, garlic, our bean sprouts, a couple of potatoes that I already, I peeled these potatoes, and then I put together a little cucumber, tomato, carrot salad. Yeah, and so tonight what we're thinking about doing is making a curry, a veggie curry, a lentil curry, and a fish curry. Trying to make some ginger tea here, but it's so windy and I can't get it to boil. Let's take a look at our progress so far, shall we? So we've got our cucumber tomato salad with carrots, shallots, and onion and garlic, and I have some coriander from a friend that I'll be adding fresh to the salad later. We have all of our veggies prepped for the curry. Look at all those carrots, eggplants, potatoes, some extras over here, and then I saved the bean sprouts and the chives to add at the end. What's really nice about this, everything is all prepped and ready to go. All I have to do is add it to a pot, and I have our coconut milk here, our red curry pack, the lentils, rice, and then for dessert I picked up a couple of fruits. Also part of the trade, we have a papaya, a mango. Mangoes are in season right now, so very excited about this mango. And then this watermelon, which I've never had a yellow watermelon like this before. I've had the yellow watermelon that's yellow inside and green on the outside, but I've never had this one, so I'm curious to try it. The people at the market said that it's super sweet. Swell is coming. Okay, now for the fishy part. So Tony, our resident spear fisherman, caught our tonight's fish with, here are his spear guns, very appropriate, right next to the Buddha, Ahimsa. And yeah, so here's our guns. We got a couple here. Tony just got this new one here. He's super stoked about. I don't think he's used it yet, but these have been really awesome for all the fish that we've been catching, and yeah, it's pretty nice just to grab a gun and go offshore and catch some fish. And my little fish here, whee! I'm excited to try this board out, can you tell? So here we go. On the menu tonight we have barracuda. Look at those teeth! Oh my god! So Tony wants to keep the head, keep the teeth. So I'm going to chop this up. I have my fillet knife, my other chef's knife, and then we also have some trevally here. So we have a friend who's a chef, a local chef here, and he was kind enough to fillet them for us. So I'll just chop them up, put them in a pot, so then they're ready to go for the curry. Wow. Now Mother Ocean certainly provided on this one. One thing I noticed as I was filleting the fish is that the barracuda is pretty soft compared to the trevally, which is a little bit more firm. So yeah, I just thought that was interesting, and we'll see how it tastes when it all comes out. As I was putting the head in the freezer, I realized this is really our big purchase. Our bintangs for the evening, the local beer of Indonesia. It's pretty good. Like a light beer. And these cost about $2 USD each. So, big spenders. Well, I think the surf is gonna be canceled. Dun dun dun. So, a little storm rolling through. Yee-hoo! How cool that is.
What's that oversold spot?
Yeah.
There's a little barracuda.
Yummy, it's really good. Fantastic curry. You guys like it? You look at, I'm taking a little video.
Yeah, yummy, yummy, yummy.